Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samartha Ramdas Swami has said in his 201st shloka. कदा ओळखी माझी दुजे दिसेना मनी मानसी द्वैत काही वसेना बहुता दिसा आपली भेटी झाली विदेहीपणे सर्व काया निवाली. After recognizing the supreme reality, cannot see anything else. The mind cannot have the duality anymore. After a long time, we have met each other. Now I do not have body consciousness as it has been entirely filled with peace. After completing the 200 shlokas, Samartha Ramdas Swami is writing an epilogue in this and the next three shlokas before concluding his writing in the last, which is 205th shloka. In this shloka, he is explaining his own experience after seeing Lord Rama himself. O Lord Rama, until now I have always thought about you. Now, after the realization, I cannot see anything else anywhere. There is no more separation between you and me. I have become you. There is no duality left at all. There is realization within me that I am not separate from you. There is no difference between my real self, the Atman, and you, the Paramatma. I am experiencing the Mahavakyas from the scriptures, Tat Tvam Asi, that essence are you, and Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahman. After a long time, we have met each other in this way. Due to this realization, I have transcended my body. I am not aware of my body at all, and we have become one. And because of that, this body is full of peace. There is only bliss everywhere. The reference to the fact that this is not the first time Samartha Ramdas Swami has met Lord Rama is to their earlier meeting. This earlier meeting happened when Samartha Ramdas Swami had been to northern India visiting Kedarnath, which is in the Himalayas, in the state currently known as Uttarakhand. He had traveled all over India, and while he was at Kedarnath, near the river Mandakini, he was dejected, as, in spite of trying hard and after full devotion, he was not able to meet God. He had almost given up on his life and was contemplating on ending it. That's when Lord Rama appeared in front of him and said, "You need to brush yourself up. I have looked after you during all these years, and you cannot give up at this time. I expect you to do a lot of spiritual and social work. I want you to go back and educate all the people on devoting to me and awaken their minds to the supreme reality." After that incident, Samartha Ramdas Swami returned to his home state, which is currently known as Maharashtra, and started the work of awakening the people and teaching them how to live the life, how to devote themselves to Lord Rama, and also how to help King Shivaji in the work he was doing at the time. Friends, if you like this explanation, feel free to provide your feedback and do like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ